Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the difference between Mealy and Mealy machine. So as we can see over here, we can see that Mealy machine, the output depends on the present state as well as the input. We have already discussed in the previous example. When we talk of Mealy machine, it is the next transition and output depends on the output as well as input. In this, as you can see in this diagram, it is happening q naught is input, and when we have to supply the input symbol 1, it will go to state q1 and the output is 1 in this case, because the output is not written on the node itself. So it will not be depending only on the input symbol, so it will depend on the present input as well as the present output, present state. And when we talk of Mealy machine, on the other hand, it depends only on the present state. It has no concern whatever is the output written, or whatever is the input written over here. The output is picked from the only one thing, that is the state where it has reached. It will write the output of the state. But in Mealy, it will check with what is the input and what is the output for that input. Similarly, when we talk of Mealy machine, input string of length n, the output will remain n itself. And in this case, if the in Mealy machine, if the input string is of length n, then the output in that case is n plus 1. Why so? Because it will consider output of initial state always. For example, if we have a look at this case, in this case, if we have to write the output, so the initial state output is 0. Based on this, it is always added. So when any input string is applied, it will transit accordingly, but this 0 will always be added. Now suppose we have given input string of length 0, of length 3, then the 3 output symbols for that states with transition plus 1 of the initial state is added. So we will get the output as n plus 1. And when we talk of the symbol transition function lambda, it will Mealy machine will say if any state is there and any input symbol is applied, we will go to the output state, output value or output character. But in case of Mealy, it will simply use the state and provide the output. Let's have a look again. When we talk of Mealy machine, on a state, output is given. Like in this case, q0 will give 0 output, q1 will give 1 output, q2 will give 2 output. But in case of Mealy machine, whatever is the state and whatever is the input symbol given over there, so the state as well as input symbol will leads towards the output. So diagram we have already discussed. So Mealy machine output is asynchronous, whereas the Mealy machine is synchronized with the clock. So this is again one important difference. Mealy machine is synchronized with the system clock, whereas the Mealy machine is asynchronous. So I hope the difference between Mealy and Mealy machine is clear to you all. So if you have any doubt regarding the understanding of Mealy and Mealy machine, you can watch the previous videos. And in the next video, we are going to discuss about the conversions from Mealy to Mealy and Mealy to Mealy. So in the next video, we will discuss about Mealy to Mealy machine conversion, and then there are few examples on that. So thanks for watching the video.